Okay guys, so if you want to block any application from using the internet, I'm going to show you how to do that. For example, I'm going to be using Steam right here. As you can see, I'm connected to the internet. So what you want to do is you want to head over to search and then type in firewall, and then Windows Defender Firewall should come up. And then once you're on it, you want to click on advanced settings and then click on yes. Once you're in advanced settings, you want to click on outbound rules, and then you want to create a new rule. Then click on next, and then this is where you select the program. So I'm going to click on browse, and then I'm going to look for Steam. So this PC, C drive, program files, Steam, and then we want to find the exe file. So here it is, steam.exe. Click on it, and then here it is. Click on next, next again, and then you want to type in the name, so Steam, and then click on finish. Okay, now it's blocked. So now I'm going to restart Steam. So I'm going to exit out of Steam, and then I'm going to open it back up. So now it's loading, and as you can see, connection error, could not connect to Steam network.